Hi guys, it's time to do our cooking for Thursday. So today we are going to make, it's normally worms in dirt, but I didn't have any gummy worms. So we're going to do ants in dirt, and I have some chocolate chips. So we're going to start out and make some pudding. So I'm going to open up the box. You know, we always have to open the box when we are in the classroom. So that box open, and now can I pour it in? No, not yet. We've got to open the bag. Alrighty. So I'm going to pour it in this bowl right here. And it says to add 2 cups of milk. So really, when you guys get your directions, probably you need to pour your milk in first. So here's your milk. I'm going to pour in 2 cups of milk. There we go. And then I'm going to pour the milk into the pudding. Just like that. It's almost not a big enough bowl. All right, now I'm going to take my lid, and this is just an easy way to mix it up. All right, in the classroom, I don't know if you guys remember the song that we would sing. We would go, shake it, baby. Shake it now. Shake it like a milkshake. Do it anyhow. Oh, rumble to the bottom. Rumble to the top. Turn around and turn around. Then you stop. And we let somebody else have a turn. So anyway, we want to shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. All right. It's getting nice and shook up. You could also mix it, so it just takes a little bit longer if you mix it with a spoon or a mixer. Now, if you guys don't have pudding, but you have vanilla yogurt works really well. You could also use chocolate pudding, is yummy. All right, so I'm gonna open it back up. It's not real thick right now, but it's getting a little thick. And so you can scoop it out next. I'm going to pause right here while I get a spoon to scoop it in. I'll be right back. And I'm back. Okay, so I'm going to scoop in my pudding. Yum. All right, now that does not look like dirt. That just looks like pudding. So we need to add our cookies. So I can't just add them. You know, I've got to open it up. And we need to break the cookies. So put one right there. And I'm going to break up the cookie. Crunch it, crunch it, crunch it. Break it all up. Crunch, crunch, crunch. I think we need another cookie. Maybe 3 cookies would be good. I'll show you what it looks like. So we've got our pretend dirt. See, there's our dirt. Whoa! And now I'm going to add our ants, which really is just a chocolate chip. 1, 2, Oh, usually we see a lot of ants at one time. So there's our worms in dirt. I hope you guys enjoy that and have a great day. Bye-bye.